Want to go viral on YouTube without showing your face? Let AI do the work. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to make high-quality YouTube shorts using free AI tools. No editing skills or experience needed. Step 1. Pick a viral topic. First, find a topic people are already searching. Go to Google Trends or YouTube search, type in AI tools, money hacks, or side hustles. These are hot in the US right now. Step 2. Script with AI. Next, write your script using ChatGPT. Prompt it like, write a 30-second YouTube Shorts script on how to earn money using AI tools for beginners. Easy. Step 3. Voiceover with AI. Don't want to record your voice? No problem. Use ElevenLabs, PlayHT, or TTSMaker for realistic AI voices. Choose a US accent for best results. Step 4. Make the video. Now bring it all together. Use CapCut or Canva, add stock footage from Pexels or Pixabay, paste your script as captions, and insert your AI voice. It's not a special editing, curing, speaking to Curd. Add bold captions, zooms, and pop sounds every 3 to 4 seconds. Use trending background music from YouTube's audio library. You can do all this from your phone, no laptop needed. Step 5. Optimize and upload. Before uploading, make sure title includes keywords like AI Shorts Tutorial USA. Use tags, AI Tools, Shorts Tutorial, Make Money 2025. Add hashtags, hashtag Shorts, AI Content, hashtag Side Hustle USA. Thumbnail, add bold text like Made with AI over a money background. Post at 6 p.m. Eastern Stand for maximum US reach. And that's it. You just made your first YouTube short with AI. Like and subscribe for more AI content creation hacks. Comment AI beginner if you want the full tools list.